Have you ever wondered how the powder detergent you use every day is made? Well, in today's video, I will show you guys how to make a powerful homemade powdered detergent that helps keep clothes fresh, clean, and smelling amazing. Whether you are learning for personal use, starting a small business, or simply curious about the whole process, you are in the right place. So sit back, relax, and enjoy while I teach you guys how to produce something that foams like this. You see how this one is producing a lot of foam? You will learn how to produce a very powerful foaming powder detergent. If it's your first time coming to this page, please do well by following me. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop your comments. Today you will learn how to produce something as powerful, as foaming, as beautiful, and as lovely as this. So enjoy while we go straight into our production process. Just in case you are wondering who Fame Ebong is, this is me. This is Fame Ebong. I'm actually black in complexion, so this is just how I look like. Oh yeah, let's start. Now, over here is the first chemical I'll be using. This is the sodium sulfate, and we are making use of 1 kg. Now, sodium sulfate is actually a filler in our powder detergent production. And this is our soda ash. We are making use of 1 kg also. Powder detergents make use of a combo of several cleaning agents, and soda ash is one of those cleaning agents. Over here is the STPP, which is known as sodium tripolyphosphate. This is another cleaning agent. We are making use of 300 grams. And over here is the borax. Borax helps to soften hard water. Borax is a cleaning booster. And borax is also an odor controller. It helps neutralize unpleasant odor instead of simply masking them. Then over here is our SLS. SLS is also known as sodium lauryl sulfate. I'm making use of 250 grams. This SLS is our foaming agent. This is what will help our detergent to foam. Now, SLS comes in 2 forms. We have the powder SLS, we have the rice SLS. Just in case you bought the rice SLS, just use your normal electric blender that you use in blending things like pepper, onions, and crayfish. Use it and blend your SLS. It will turn to powder form like this, just in case you bought the rice SLS. In detergent production, you can make use of any fragrance of your choice. And over here is the fragrance I'm using. I'm making use of Ampipo fragrance. When producing powder detergent, make sure you put on a nose mask and a hand gloves, because most of these chemicals can be harsh and irritating. Oh yeah, let's start our production. The first thing I'll be doing is to pour in our sodium sulfate into the mixing bowl. You can see how I've done this. Very simple. I'll be adding the next chemical. So in powder detergents, you just mix all the chemicals together to achieve your powder detergent. So the next chemical I'll be pouring in is the soda ash. You can see this is a very simple process. It's not complicated. You're just mixing all the powders together. And at the end of the whole process, don't forget we are achieving what? A powdered detergent. The type you see in the market like Omo, Clean, Viva, and the rest of the other detergents you know in the market. This is how, or this is one of the ways on how they produce them. So the next chemical going in is the STPP. So I'll be pouring it inside the mixing bowl. Powder detergent is made in 2 forms. There is the wet form and there's the dry form. This one I'm teaching you guys is the dry form. The wet form requires a special machine called a dryer. So most of you guys might not be able to afford that drying machine. So that's why I'm teaching you guys how to produce this dry form. And this dry form is actually the easiest way to produce powder detergent. It's very easy. You can produce this and start packaging and start selling. Next, I'm adding my borax. The advantage of producing this dry form of powder detergent is that you can produce and sell it the next day. The wet form, you have to pass it through a drying machine, which will delay your sales. This is a faster way of producing powder detergent. The next thing I'm doing is to add 1 tablespoon of caustic soda. For this, our production quantity, we are adding just 1 tablespoon of caustic soda. We are producing roughly 3 kg of powder detergent, and 1 tablespoon of caustic soda is enough, so that it will not make our detergent harsh to the hand or burn the hand. Now this is the fragrance. I'll be adding it. Don't forget, I say you can make use of any fragrance of your choice. And over here, I'm making use of Ampipo fragrance. Any nice fragrance that you know that will make detergent smell like detergent, use it and produce your detergent. Now lastly, I'll be adding the SLS, which is our foaming booster. This is what will cause our detergent to foam or produce lather. Now, if you want to learn stuff like the laundry bar soap, the powder detergent, the liquid soap, the bleach, Dettol, body cream, perfume, hair cream, and the rest, do all by checking the video description. You'll find a link where you can click on to join the training group. But if you have issues joining us on WhatsApp through the link, then just simply chat me on any of these phone numbers that are displayed here. just chat me on WhatsApp, reach me on WhatsApp to be added to our training classes. There you learn how to make stuff like the laundry bar soap, the bathing soap, the detergent, the liquid soap, perfume, hypo, bleach, Dettol, hair cream, and the rest. You learn how to make almost all these cosmetics like a pro. So do well by chatting me on any of these phone numbers to join our training group on WhatsApp. So we are done producing our powdered detergent. The next thing we want to do is to test it and see how it's going to behave. So I'll bring the water and we are going to test it. Now watch and see how this is going to behave. At this point, you can package and start selling, or you can use it in your home. Anything you want to do with it, that is your choice. And you can see how our detergent foams, it lathers very well. This is a very wonderful and a very powerful powdered detergent. Then also, if you are a soap maker and you need soap making equipment, we have soap making equipment. We have several types and we deliver nationwide. Now, after this video, I'll be showing you guys the pictures of the equipment we produce. Don't forget, this equipment, we are the ones that produce them. We produce them at our company and we have different types and we deliver nationwide. So just in case you need soap making equipment to up your soap making game or your soap making business, we are here for you. So just watch and see how our equipment looks like. You can see them here. We have soap molds, we have soap stamps, we have soap trimmers, we have soap groove makers, we have soap cutters, and the rest. So chat me on this phone number displayed here to purchase our soap making equipment. Don't forget, we deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our equipment down to your location. And we are not scammers. We are legit business people. We do legit business. So don't be scared of buying equipment from us. Then lastly, if you will not have time to join the online class, I have a very wonderful and a very powerful ebook that has a lot of things that I teach online here. The soap making, bleach, Dettol, body cream, detergent, and the rest. You can see it here. Just chat me on WhatsApp to purchase my ebook. If you will not have time to join the online class, you can learn all these things at home at your convenient time if you will not have time to join the class. This is the ebook here. Very powerful, very informative. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to follow, don't forget to drop your comments. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please follow me for more interesting and lovely videos like this. I drop this kind of videos every week. So follow me so that you will not miss out and you'll be updated. Thank you for watching. Please share, please like, and drop your comments. And don't forget to join the class. Don't forget to purchase your ebook. And don't forget to buy equipment from us. Goodbye and have a lovely day. And see you all on my next video. Bye-bye.